I'm Aubrey. I've been living on a small boat for about 6 years. I recently bought a pirate ship, and right now she's waiting for masts and rigging in Washington. So in order to earn a few bucks to pay for the project, we've taken on a boat flip. It's a 1996 37 Hunter. Thank you so much to our patrons for making these videos possible. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's a great way to support. So round 2 of getting our COVID tests. How do you feel about this? Are you ready?
No, I don't think you can ever be ready for something that sharp, that skinny, and that long being shoved up your nostril.
Well, I do have to say that Speedy Sticks was probably the worst place we could have gone, but we're hoping that today it's going to be better, right? It's gonna be fine. Our second COVID test was a completely different experience, in a good way. That was so much better. Oh my gosh, the other lady had me just dying.
That's Relief MD.
There you have it, you guys. If you want to have the easiest, nicest, fastest COVID test, this is your man. So there's always work to be done the day before we go sailing. Where'd that come from?
This is the raw water intake for the toilet. This goes from the sea cock to the back of the toilet.
So we're prepping to go. We're planning to leave back to Bahamas in 4 hours. The boat has seen better days. We got our laundry back. We are packing up the food. We are topping up the batteries. And for those of you that follow us on Patreon, we are charging this bad boy up so you guys can follow along. So I'm excited. We've got everything done. We have crossed our T's, we have dotted our I's, and we are trying again. Wish us luck. So I layer my spinach with paper towels and it lasts longer. Fun fact. I also just started putting my mushrooms in their fridge in paper bags. It's my hobby to see how long I can make food last. Sailing. Last water run of the day. I usually like to get an early morning jump on things when we sail, but this time we're going to depart at sunset. I've got this pilot boat in front of me and he just ran me down and told me to stay to the side, and it's making me a little nervous. I have this giant tugboat behind me pulling a barge out. I'm hoping he doesn't wake me and throw me into this jetty right here. Pilot boat there, big boy there. Alright, see you in a minute. Up on deck, and we should be there in 4 hours. We took 2-hour shifts at the helm and had a beautiful overnight passage. I ended up with my most favorite watch, which is 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. So we've got the engine on, we've just pulled in, and we're gonna try round number 2. The wind died out on us at about, what time would you say? 3? Yeah, so we were doing 2-hour shifts and we flipped on the motor. It was good though, it was uneventful. Uneventful is good. So we're here now. We left last night at 6:24 p.m. and we're arriving at 9:26 a.m. It's been an interesting learning curve, and I'm really hoping that we get in the next few minutes so that we can explore the Bahamas. And when I mean get in, I mean not to the anchorage, to the country. The water here is absolutely incredible, and I am just as impressed the second time around. I can't wait to get in it. This time we pulled into the dock right outside of customs, so we could step right on land, head in, and get our stamp. We are all docked now, and it's 10:40, and Cyril says, I want a beer. So yes, it's Bahama time, we can have a beer. However, we need to get checked in first, so let's go. Cross your fingers. It's been 10 days since we were deported, and we're back. And my fingers are crossed, but I'm a little bit nervous. We are officially legal in the Bahamas, thank goodness. We have to take another test in 5 days, so we're trying to now plan our trip. Cyril is pacing behind you guys like a hyena, waiting for beer. It's a little stressful. We had some friends say that they don't travel to Bahamas or much at all now with all of these new requirements just because it's so confusing. So we are very, very happy to be here and excited that it went off without a hitch. So, whew. We stretched our legs and had a local beer, and we prepared to leave first thing in the morning. From West End, we'll head to Grand Sail Key. It is 5 a.m. and we are about to get off the dock. We're trying to catch the high tide to go through this little cut, Indian Rock Path. Looks like it's gonna be a really flat, calm day. We're gonna motor because we're trying to get to a protected spot. We're headed over to Sail Cay so that we can hide from this big flow that's coming through. So we are leaving early and we're motoring. We have no wind, but we also have no choice. So I'm feeling very thankful for this inboard engine that just fires right up. So let's get started. There's something about seeing so many sunrises in a row that makes you feel really alive.
Breakfast burritos, sunrises, 7 knots, and the best captain in the world somewhere down there. So it is a beautiful day, and we gotta go catch Mai Mai because we promised our friends that we'll catch something for dinner tonight. Don't know about you, but that's a pretty mean look.
all I got. Just motoring. We're motoring now into Great Sail Cay, and we have the engine on. We furled in the sails and flaked the sails, and we didn't catch any fish. As soon as we dropped the hook, we jumped in the dinghy and headed ashore to get a little sun. Well, I think this means we have officially made it. Don't spill my beer! For the full uncut and uncensored version, check out Vimeo in the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait till next week? I have a daily vlog on Vimeo. And we'll see you next time on Sailing Miss Lone Star.